CKA Challenge Question 13. Having the weightage of 5%. One static pod, web static, image, BGBox is currently running on control plane node. Move that static pod to run on node 01. Don't need to do any other changes. Note: static pod name should be changed from web static control plane to web static node 01. The question is asking to move a static pod named WebStatic from the control plane node to another node named Node01 without making any other changes. The static pod is currently running on the control plane node and using a Docker image called BusyBox. The static pod are the pod that are managed directly by the kubelet daemon on a node, rather than by the Kubernetes API server. They are defined in a YAML file located in a specific directory on the node and are typically used for running essential system components such as kubeproxy and kubedns. To move the static pod, the person needs to perform the following steps. Identify the location of the YAML file that defines the static pod. The file should be located in the directory specified by the -dat pod-manifest-path option in the kubelet configuration file. By default, this directory is /etc/kubernetes/manifest. Copy the YAML file to the same directory on the target node is, in this case, node01. The YAML file should be edited to change the name of the static pod from WebStatic control plane to WebStatic node01. Wait for kubelet on the node01 to detect the new YAML file and start the static pod. The status of the static pod can be checked using the kubectl getPods command. Once the static pod is successfully moved and running on the node 01, it should no longer be running on the control plane node. The person should ensure that the static pod is functioning correctly on the new node and that it does not have any adverse effect on the other component in the cluster. Overall, the question required the person to have the knowledge of a static pod and their management, as well as the ability to edit the YAML file and copy them between nodes. Take on the challenge of solving these questions on your own first, but if you encounter any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solution. Good luck.
So first monitor this environment for the static pod, kubectl get pod. So okay, as per the questions, static pod, web static control plane is currently running, and we need to move this particular, means that from the control plane. Let's verify it's running on the control plane or not. But by looking on the prefix, you can identify it's running on the control plane. But better to verify it as well using the O of wide option. So you can find that yes, it's particularly running on the control plane. So now we have to identify the path where we have the definition file, because the static pod can't be deleted by running the command because it's running by the definition file. So if we want to delete it, we have to remove that particular file. So let's identify it. So ps ux and grep for kubelet. So here you have lots of informations, but mainly I concerned for this particular informations. So I'm just going to copy it. Okay, now I'm going to cat this file because I am currently looking for the path where we have the definition file for the static pod, and here we can grep for the word static pod. So the static pod. So you can see that this is the path where we have the manifest file for the static pod. Just go to this particular path, ls. So here we have the static YAML file. So I am going to just cat this file so that we can copy this information, because we have to move these particular things to the worker node 01 as per the question. So this is the definitions file. I'm going to copy it all the things. Just copy it because I am going to do it the same thing in the for the worker node. And so before going to that place, we need to remove it as well. So I'm going to remove a static. So after removing this particular file, the static pod will automatically get deleted. So I'm going to the root. Okay, pwd. So we are in the root. Okay, now I'm going to worker node. SSH. Let's clear the screen. Okay, now SSH to node 1. And here also we have to do the same thing, like for the path we have to see the informations for the UX and grep for the kubelet. And here, but remember one thing, we copied the definitions related things, so we are not going to copy anything. We have to write it manually. So I'm just doing the cat on this particular configuration file. So it's var lib kubelet config.yaml and grep, doing the grep for word static pod. So this will give the information the same for, it's in the default path, so it's not changed, but sometimes it's better to identify the path, because sometimes the path is changed and we can change the path as per our need or as per our convenience. So now I'm going to this particular path, etc Kubernetes manifest, and doing the ls. So nothing is available here. I'm going to create one file name static dot yaml and pasting the content here which we copied from the control plane. And we don't have to do anything, we're just going to save it, because as per the question we don't have to do any changes. So now it's changed. Now I'm coming out from the node 1. Okay, let's clear the screen. kubectl get pod. So now you can see the guys that the control plane static pod now deleted, and static it's the same static pod now moved from the front control plane to the worker node. And as per the questions, it says that the web static control plane name should be changed to web static node 01, and it's by default, because when the static pod is get prefixed with the node name, so this complete this particular lab.